So, good morning, people, and how are you doing? So, what going on in the world now, and how Corona is treating people? Just remember to wear your mask, sanitize all the time. You understand? So, I'm just there, I go on easy, sitting on Saturday morning here, have nothing to do. You know, still we have a new movie we work on, still, but not even know the movie name that I can tell you, people. See, I'm just there doing the right thing. So, come here today we talk a little about my life and a little about my acting. So I'm gonna give you a little story of my life, people. You understand? I didn't grow with any mother. You understand? My mother left me from me 2 week old. You know, left me from my father alone. You know, my father grew me from me two till I turned 18. You understand? They palm one from 15 years old. Not 15. They palm one from 9. Yeah, from 9, they palm one people out in the street try for hustling a dollar. You know, first time didn't have it. You know, after the road a big $1 and $2 sometimes I get shame. But I'm proud of myself still, people. I'm very, 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 very proud because I never know a certain life that turn out like this. You see, never know a life that turn out like this. I never know said I could have turned actor. I never know said life will change when people start asking me. You understand? Life change a lot. So I'm telling you people, man in the dead, I call him Duppy. You understand? Cause today you're up, tomorrow you're down. Today you're down, tomorrow you're up. Say vice versa, people. You understand? So in my life, I go through a lot of story. I didn't finish school. I understand I didn't finish school, but I have my education and I do one subject. I want to go back to school and finish my subject. I have maths. You understand? So I never I never get to graduate in school because when I was little, I was bad and I was given a lot of trouble. You understand? But it's not everyone have the potential like me. I said I want to get a work, I want to send myself go back to school and I do it. See? So to be acting, you have to brave, you have to have nice potential. You see me have can talk that people can understand you, the audience. See it, and also you have to brave. Because the first time when I'm acting I didn't brave. The first movie was Can't Do Without You, and that movie teach people a lesson. I understand, yeah, and acting is nice and it's fun and it's teaching the world, teaching everyone in the world. I understand that on my behalf, our movie is real life thing. Our movie basic offer real life things is happening now. Things is happening out there now. You understand? Yeah. So anyway, I did to say acting changed my life a lot and I see a brighter future. But the head of me. You understand? And I want to keep up the good work, put in a good work and do the right thing and say the right thing. And guys, remember you can go and Richard Brown film and subscribe and share and like and hit the notification bell, people, and also you can go on Nightscan and YouTube and subscribe to Richard Brown film. Same way you can go on Nightscan, subscribe, NICECONN. That is my YouTube channel, people. So you don't know me out here, go on easy. Tomorrow lockdown again, people, is nothing normal. 6 o'clock this evening, people, no one care free move. You see, there's a bag of things going on lockdown. Bag of things is stress. I know it's still stressing people, not even can talk it to you stress car. You know, some people lockdown right now, but lockdown and they have no food. This is me, natural current. This is me. So people out there in the world, know I think go. Big up on yourself, big up to all my actors, then big up to all my actresses. Then big up to my fans. This is me, and big up to the people who support we in our thing. You understand? And big up the one who sent the new camera. I don't know what he or she name as it, but big up to she or he who sent the camera. That black magic camera is the first time I'm seeing one of those camera in my life. Black magic. Yeah. Use it already still, but if you come out it soon see it and not normal. Good quality camera. Yeah man. So we might say one love again, bless up and motive, people. They don't know. Zoom it just there going well out, do the right thing. Big up.